Munna Bhai. But I remember Khalid Mohammed saying, either Munna Bhai or Eklavya, I'm not sure, he said she was being completely wasted. But a Parinita does not happen every day. And that, as long as I'm aware of that, I'm not wasting my talent. Because waiting for Parinita to happen would have been the bigger waste.
Yeah.
You know, so I at least have gathered these experiences, and there's something to learn from every performance, and there's, I cherish each one of those films whether or not they worked.
একটা ভীষণ সেন্টিমেন্টাল সিন আমি দেখাতে চাই আপনাদের এতক্ষণ ধরে নিয়ে কথা বলছি and we should see how she's played it. Can we see Pa a little bit, a portion of Pa? It's meant to be very sentimental, একটা খুব melodramatic scene কিন্তু.
Happy birthday, Uru.
Thank you, Mom.
औरो, मैं तुम्हारे लिए गिफ्ट लाई हूँ. बहुत पुराना गिफ्ट है.
Exchange करके नया गिफ्ट लाओ.
और उसी ना.
Mom.
Come.
Why you want to disturb me? Thank you. What it is? This is that liar. ये monkey तुम्हारे साथ क्या कर रहा है?
ये monkey तुम्हारे पा है.
আপনারা এগ্রি করলেন তো আমার সঙ্গে? এই সিনটা কিন্তু মেলোড্রামাটিক হলে এই সিনটা এত ভালো হতো না. Anyway, we'll go straight to Dirty Picture, which is the most important thing I think in your career. Now, I have heard some of us, এটা আমি শুনেছি কিন্তু এটা সত্যি না হতে পারে, is that Dirty Picture and Kahani was more or less happening at the same time. Perhaps Kahani was finished, but you tried very hard to bring Dirty Picture before Kahani. And I don't know, I mean, my calculations are that you were convinced that Dirty Picture would work and it would help the lesser, low-budget Kahani to storm. Was there any calculations like that?
Not at all.
No. Okay.
I had absolutely no say in when the film released. I just wanted the best for Kahani because I knew there were lots of people backing the Dirty Picture. The Dirty Picture was also was a semi-biopic on Silk Smitha, and it was controversial, which grabs eyeballs anyway. The music was doing really well. But Kahani had just this one pregnant woman going around the world saying, my husband is missing. You know, and we had made it purely on the basis of our instinct and that one man's madness, Shujoy Ghosh. It was such a struggle to put the film together. It was literally like I was carrying that baby and I just wanted the best for it. I had no say whatsoever. But yeah, lots of prayers and that's all.
No, but see, you broke all rules. Usually, we've been discussing this for quite some time. In the Tobu Dirty Picture, you're breaking a lot of rules. You put on weight for that?
Yes, I did.
For a mainstream actress, it's an impossibility, I think, in India. Shabana did that for Mandi,
yes.
But then Mandi was not a mainstream cinema.
Right.
But for a mainstream cinema to act bitchy, to be debauched, to put on weight, you were sure it's going to work? Was it a gamble you were taking, or was it that you were just loving the part and playing it?
I was just loving the part, and I was loving the fact that Milan Luthria and Ekta Kapoor had that conviction that I could pull it off, because I actually, firstly, I spent the first few minutes just saying thank you for coming to me with this, because it's not conventional casting. But like Vishal Bhardwaj cast me in Ishqiya, and I was extremely grateful to him, because before that, I could imagine, but no one else could have imagined that I could do an Ishqiya. Similarly, Dirty Picture, there was, you know,
Yeah, Ishqiya also it was sexually manipulative, this
Yes.
woman, very ruthless and...
Absolutely. You know, she was conniving.
Yeah.
And no one would have seen me as conniving until then. Dirty Picture, she wore her sexuality on her sleeve. It was in your face. And my personality is very different from that. But I knew that if I ever got a role like that, I would do everything I could, give it my all. And there it was in front of me, and I said, whatever it takes. Initially, I was apprehensive about putting on the weight. I'll be very, because I've battled weight issues all my life. And for someone like me who had lost all the weight, and now to be told that for a film you have to put on the weight, it was like, you know, this is like God testing you in strange ways. But when we did a costume trial and I realized, and you know, that it wasn't quite what Milan was looking for, I said there are two things. Either there's one thing, I either give in to it completely, whether it's being uninhibited about my body or my dancing or about little clothes which I've never worn in my life, and put on the weight, or don't do it at all. Because I think the inhibitedness here would have made it sleazy.
Okay, not honest.
Yeah. And I think that's, people kept saying...
Completely agree with you.
Yeah, people kept saying, you know, it's not at all sleazy. That's the biggest achievement. And I just think it was that initial talk that Milan had with me, and he said, you know, if you're inhibited, if you're shy, if you're awkward, the camera will catch it. And that's what makes something sleazy versus sexy. And I just followed it like a Bible. I kept telling him, you have to handhold me through this, and I guess he more than did that.
Yeah, my director used to tell me that, are you convinced?
Right.
I said, am I convincing? I told Mrinalda once, am I convincing? He said, no, are you convinced?
Right.
So I think you're saying something
Yeah,
similar.
exactly.
See, with Dirty Picture, you've achieved, I think, যেটা এখানে ভারতবর্ষে খুব কমই মহিলারা অ্যাচিভ করতে পেরেছে, কারণ আমাদের দেশটা is a, unfortunately, আমাদের film industry is a very male-driven film industry, যেখানে it's the hero that mainly carries the film. Of course, আমাদের ওখানে ভালো ভালো হিরোইনের রোল লেখা হয়েছে. A lot of great roles have been written for actresses, and there have been great actresses. But to have a woman driving films, an actress driving a film is very, very rare. Mainstream cinema te to rare body. Mainstream art cinema jekhanei bolun. I think it's my equation that probably Suchitra Sen was one. She did Uttar Phalguni, pulled it off alone almost. Then I think Deep Jele Jai, kono serokom hero dorkar lageni. Then later on, I think it was Rekha again, Khoon Bhari Mang, and then Umrao Jan, pulling the film. Great actors. I don't need a star, pulling it off. And the third one, I think, is Vidya Balan here. Let's give her a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
I think you are that very special woman who has changed the fate of many producers, many writers, many directors who could not, you know, write women-centric roles because always chobita cholbe ekta hero chai. Now you can take any hero and just walk off because
Thank you.
you've really done it. And you ekটু জোরে তালি দিন, একটু জোরে হাত তালি দিন.
Thank you.
So how do you feel about that? It's true. What I'm saying is true.
Yeah, but I don't know what to say. I just feel very, very...
Very few people have done it.
Yeah, but I feel very humbled because, you know, all I had was a dream to be an actor. And I'm just living my dream, and God has been so kind. This city, I will take this opportunity to say this city has been so kind and has played such a strong role in my life, Anjunda. I feel overwhelmed by all the love. So many people saying, you know, we're praying for you, our best wishes, even at the time of Kahani. Directors having faith in me. And I'm just grateful to God, I think, and my family. I can't believe it sometimes. I keep saying, jitne ki umeed thi usse bahut zyada paya. So how can this get any better? What else is possible?
No, I think it's a great achievement, and
Thank you.
আমি শুধু এটাই আমরা দেখবো জানেন, মানে ভারতবর্ষে খুব ডিফিকাল্ট এটা করা, আমাদের এই কমার্শিয়াল ওয়ার্ল্ডে দাঁড়িয়ে, এই কমার্শিয়াল সিনেমাতে দাঁড়িয়ে খুব ডিফিকাল্ট এটা করা, কিন্তু ক্যান উই সি আ লিটল বিট অফ ডার্টি পিকচার?
मैडम पागल होगी हो क्या? तुम सिल्क हो ना? मैडम
वो सिल्क नहीं, रेशमा भागी थी वहां से। वो रेशमा जो अपना नाम बनाना चाहती थी। वो ये कैसे दिखा देती कि वो अपनी पहचान भी खो चुकी है।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I cut it a little short because we're getting late. আমি আরো কিছু দেখাতে চেয়েছিলাম কিন্তু একটু দেরি হয়ে যাচ্ছে, ওকে একটু কালীঘাটে যেতে হবে। So it was wonderful talking to you and it was beautiful.
Thank you so much. And I enjoyed this chat. I enjoyed interacting with you, Anjanda. And like I said,
Very beautiful. মানে
Thank
ভালো
you.
অভিনয় খুব মুশকিল পাওয়া, জানেন। আমরা ভালো ভালো ছবি অনেক পাচ্ছি, আমরা হিট করছে ছবি, making a lot of money, big stars, but to get an actress who's a star who is also a brilliant actress is very, very difficult. And thank you, Vidya.
thank you. আর আমি বলতে চাই যে আমাকে নিয়ে একটা বাংলা ছবি করবেন তো?
Absolutely, 100%. If I can write something worthwhile, and if I'm able to get some more
আমি
money.
অপেক্ষা করব।
বেশ।
থ্যাংক ইউ। আর সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। আর ঋতুদা সব সময় আমাকে মেসেজে খুব আদর লিখে সাইন অফ করতে। Is that right? Have I said?
Ador.
Yeah.
Ritu was a great friend of mine, and
Yeah.
we had a lot of plans, and he said that we'd make a film together, and he used to tell me about this constant fascination for you. So probably before I die, I would complete that.
God bless you with a long life. And yeah, so khub Onek ador shobaike. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. We thank Anjunda as well as ma'am for this wonderful evening. We thank Kolkata Police for supporting us. And once again, we thank all our supporters, Advertisement Support Coal India, and all our Berger and Riul, everybody to do this program successfully. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Asha. Asha. Come. Ma'am, you go to the room. I'm escorting you to the room. Okay, you and Anjun. It's 9:05. Everything is 9:20. Everything is arranged.